is Kelly O'Brien forecasting. We have thunderstorms right now, and it is downpouring. This is the Chicago area right now. I'm forecasting live on Sunday, March 15th, 2026. And right now, it's going to be thunderstorming until about 2 a.m. to midnight-ish, and just raining a lot. So, more down south, you need to be prepared. More down by Springfield, all the way down to Texas and Missouri. Be prepared. You guys are like a level 3. And anyone in the Chicago area, Wisconsin, you're getting a lot of snow and thunderstorms right now. And you guys don't really need to be prepared because it's a level 2. But you'll just hear a lot of heavy thunder from the atmosphere because right now it's really cold out, as you can feel if you go outside. And that's why there's a lot of rain coming down, and that's why there's a lot of heavy thunder coming up from the atmosphere because it's cold out right now. So it's raining a lot.
What is that on the trampoline?
As you can hear, that was heat lightning because, oh my god, that's so loud. There was a lot of lightning. If you're in the Chicago area, like more by like up by the Chicago area, it's probably gonna be like fine right now. You don't have to be prepared yet because the tornado watch is more down south, but I'll maybe give you an update later. I'll show you the radar in a second. And it's cold out right now, so I don't think we are gonna get a tornado, just a lot of rain and thunder. Our backyard is puddles. The bushes are soaking wet, and I'm gonna show you the radar.